Thought I'd walk down the Hagood Mill trail a piece. Ain't really able. The old Prater's Creek Bridge. And Hagood Mill Creek. Mountain laurel fixing to bloom. It's now fixing to bust out, ain't it? The old lodging store. Somebody that's working on it, they're restoring it. Lord and Lord. Painted it. A recent addition. Burdine family cabin. At least they had such stuff put tin on the roof of that. Yeah, Lord. Green cornflowers. Blackberry blossoms. Y'all have plenty of blackberries now. Nature trail. I believe I'll go around this way. Around the back of the mill. I'm just out here trying to get my legs to move again. Arthritis in my spine getting awful. Trillium. There's a lot of nice trilliums on this trail. Hey there. Several different kind. Yeah, I think I'll just take a short loop. More people been using this thing. They got it wore down. Motorcycles. We used to have a copperhead hung out here. Somebody finally got him, I think. Pretty flowers. It's a good place to walk. Wildflowers and mushrooms. Oh, we got them. This part of the trail right on US 178 and it's busy. Yeah, another trip now, that's a bigger one. About that season. Lordy. Dangerous little section here. Especially an old man like me. Trip up on the root and fall down, break my blame neck. People scared of bears. That's all I hear. Oh, they bears. They bears. They bears. Better be afraid of tripping and breaking a blame leg. You might be bothered by bears in some of these great big campgrounds. They get used to going in there and trying to steal people's food. As long as you keep your food sealed up and up in the trees away from them, you ain't gonna be bothered by them. There's one of them other cats. That's a toadstool trillium. It ain't quite put out yet. Good God, the gnats is getting out. Y'all early, ain't you? Woo. No doubt I wore my gnat protector. This pump house. Pump water into the flume to the mill. Yeah, she'll be pretty when you get popped out there. That's mountain laurel. Still a budding. I used to walk 10 miles in these blame woods and not even get winded. Well, them days is over. Some daisies. Mountain laurel here bloomed out. One of them pretty things, I love them. Mountains is full of them. The old flume to the water wheel. I have to keep a little water on the wheel to keep it from getting rotten. You don't keep it wet, it'll rot. Big expense replacing that thing. I ain't able to help them do that no more. Boy, they need to do some work on this blame trail. We'll have to chastise them a little bit. Won't do me no good, but I can complain. Oh, Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. That is getting rough. That's some yellow root. That's good for ulcers and stomach and diabetes. Good medicine. In fact, you can buy it now in a concentrated form. It's birdine or something like that. Name of it. Yeah, we'll go up here and see what they've done to the steel. They did have their liquor still all took apart up here. I don't know what they're doing. Fix it or not. Steel. Oh Lordy, yeah, they're still working on the thing, ain't they? Got it polished up. Looks like I got a whole new boiler. Oh well. Stainless steel. Oh Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. Yeah, I guess I better get out of here and get home. Eagle Scout project. Yeah, I remember when they come up here and built these steps. They done a good job. Scouts do a lot up here. Oh, well, I guess I got my 20-minute walk in for the day. Job getting old. Hagood Mill Creek. Few creek chubs in it. Some catfish come out of the lake up here in the nighttime. Water striders.
Catching anything?
Yeah.
Might need a pull.
Ain't nothing in there but a few creek chubs. Oh, redbird. Sammy? I told you I ain't got nothing. I'm sorry I didn't bring you no treat. This is the mill cat named Sammy. Yeah. He keeps down the rat population. Ain't no money in there. Tulip magnolia. They just call it yellow poplar around here. Ooh, there you go. You going back to the car with me? She's mad at me. I ain't didn't bring her no tree. Yeah, I got plenty of picnic tables up here now. I have to come up here and take care of the place every once in a while. Yeah. Harry Woolly Man signing off.